The major thing I'm going to emphasize on in this video tutorial are: 1, how to measure neckline of a shirt correctly; 2, how to draft basic collar; 3, how to make basic collar; and 4, how to fix collar on shirts. The basic collar has mainly 2 parts: the collar and the collar stand. The collar is attached to the collar stand, while the collar stand is attached to the neckline of the shirts. To measure the neckline correctly, we don't measure at the tip of the neckline. We go in by ½ an inch, else we have a collar that is shorter than the neckline length. On this particular shirt, when we measured at the neckline tip, we got 8½ inches on fold. But when we measured ½ inch inward, we got 9 inches, which is the correct one. If we should have used the 8 inches, it's going to be shorter than necessary, so it's going to give us stress. We need to have our desired fabric, hard interfacing, your pressing iron, and other sewing equipment. So all our drafting is going to be on the interface. The interface is on fold, and we begin with marking 4 lines of 1 each interval. The collar stand is 1 inch wide all through and curved at the midpoint, while the main collar is 2½ inches wide at the collar fall, and it's about 1½ inch wide at the center. The round neck length we are using is 18 inches. Since the interface is on fold, we'll take half of the length, which is 9 inches. From the folded edge of the interfacing, we mark 9 inches across the 5 line made. Then we mark the midpoint of the 9 inches, which is 4.5 inches. Then mark across the line as well. We start by drafting the collar stand from the last drawn line. We initially align the first half of the measurement with the line. Then at the midpoint, we curve it upward, and the upward curves touch the second drawn line. On the second drawn line from the folded side, we'll repeat what we did initially. Then at the midpoint, we draw it to touch the tip of the third drawn line. On this particular new line, we mark 1 inch backward and make a curvy connection to the tip of the second line. So this is our collar stand. The next thing we're going to be drafting is our collar properly. On the third drawn line from the folded edge, make a slight curvy connection from the third drawn line to the 1 mark inch on the collar stand. On the 5th line, measure and mark 9 inches, then connect as shown in the video. So this is our collar stand properly. What we then do is we pin the collars together so that it will not shift, then cut it out. This is our collar stand, the upper part and the lower part, which comprises of the collar stand and the proper collar. So we are cutting it out before we start making the collar properly.